Hi, South Penn 4th grade class. We're here and we're making pizzas. And we have 3 pizzas and we have to share them among all 5 people. So, how are we going to share these small, perfect sized pizzas between 5 pizza? So, let's look at this. So we have 5 pizzas. They all have different toppings and different percents for this. So when we're looking at this, and we're even looking at this, the pizzas that we have now, we have more than half the pizza is tomato on this one. But if we look here, and we cut this evenly across here, then we know that how much part of the pizza is tomato. Now let's look at this one. We have a couple other questions. I have green pepper on this one. Now green pepper goes across more than half the pizza. So if we cut this in, cut it in part. So let's cut this all in. We go right here. What fraction is this? That is part of the pizza. Now let's look at this one. It has mushrooms on the pizza. And I want you to figure out what percent of the pizza is mushroom. We gotta cut them perfectly, don't we? Oh, let's try that again. So, we cut that across. Whoop. And we cut that. Oh, Abby, move your hand back. And we have this. What percent is not mushroom? Then, going back to my original question, what percent of the 3 pizzas between 5 people? So, back over this. So, if we're looking back on this,
I'm making my own pizza. This is yours. Wait, I need to open this.
going back to my original question, how do we share 3 pizzas between 5 people? How much is everybody going to get? Let's get this. So when we look at the board here, I'm going to draw my pizzas. 1, 2, 3. And I have to share it between 5 people. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people. So let's look at this where we have to do this. So for us to do this, you're going to have to cut every piece of pizza into 5 slices. Now circles, it's pretty hard to do that. So we're going to have to do. So I got 3 pieces right now. So for me to take those 3 pieces, I'm going to have to cut it again. Oh, it's pretty hard, isn't it? So remember my rule that I've talked about. We can't do that. We have to make, I want you to draw, even if the fraction is a round substance, draw it square. Because watch now. So when we look at this, now for me to get everybody a piece of equal size pizza, let's go here with my colors. So 1 is going to go to blue. Everybody's going to get a blue. 1 blue out of every piece. And then everybody that's red.
Hey, Mommy, are you ready yet? Daddy, you can do it. Why are you cutting your bomb up?
Spicy ones. Okay. See, with this.
This is the only kind we have, I think. You can look in the refrigerator, I'm not sure.
Mama,
I kind of thought we didn't have it, but we might.
let's
So what percent is everybody going to get? I got to find my hole first, don't I? My hole. So I'm looking at how many pieces I have all together. I have one, one, two.
Did you make your salad, ladies?
I made mine. Yeah, I made mine. I made mine.
There's no more what?
15. So 15. Now how many blues am I going to get? Every 3/15 of blue, 3/15.
No, regular olive.
And you add 3 times 5 is what? 15 out of 15 is my whole. So everybody's going to get 3/15 of the pizza. Now, can we find some equivalent to make that easier with that? So that would be the same as me doing this.
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Please don't squeeze it and make a mess, okay? Thank you.
There we go. So, it's also equivalent to 3/15 is also equivalent to 1/5. Now see, this is 1/5. It'd be one of 5 for the other ones.
Yes, please. That is a lot of carrot. Are you going to eat all that?
Yeah, that's fine. Here go Maddie. That's right. You're with the pizza.
It's one of 5 colors on this. Is also an equivalent.